Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I am going to show you here about to understand some kind of site that is about to be explaining the title of the video that is about to be here. So what we are going to use, then we can start to underestimate the site that is going to be really something that is going to be here. So what we are going to know and how we can start to see this kind of thing. So about we return text strings, and this about to be right now to know and understand how this really related to open return train ticket. And that is going to be actually something that we started to use it here to return a train ticket, and you can start to get a return ticket fund. Yes, normal is about to be here, but how to use it, search for a return journey, and you will be asked to choose train that you want to return on, even if the ticket select is open return ticket. Select open return when you search, and you don't need to select the train that you want to return on. And that is all about to help you